how to buy SpacElop token. So this token came under the symbol of ELOP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the direct account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it's on the pre-sale now. So if you click on the official website, you will be able to find this pre-sale page. So what you need to do, just connect your wallet. For that, I will use the MetaMask. So after you select the MetaMask and connect it to this pre-sale page, what you need to do, as you can see, you select the token that you want to buy with, for example, the Ethereum or USDT, but make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet before going and buy the token, and here type how much you want to buy. So as you can see, you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on buy ELOP and you will be able to show this, or pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy ELOP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.